Hello everyone, welcome to Right Hand Crochet channel. Today we're doing a hair clip recycle to make it more beautiful. So we can start. Let's begin. We need a yarn, a double pull yarn, purple color, and a 2.5mm hook. So first we have to do a slip knot. Okay. And then we have to insert here. You can start anywhere doing a single crochet to cover all the heart shape of the clip, and you can use any kind of yarn, but for me I am using the Monaco yarn, double fold yarn, so that it will make thick and nice. I have to insert the clip so that it's easy for me to do the single crochet, and I just have to cut the existing yarn and continue the work, and I will make it fast and I will be back later. I don't count how many single crochet do I have to make, as long as I can cover up the whole shape, the heart shape of the hair clip. It looks nice already, and continue doing it until you're done. At the end of the single crochet, we have to connect to the first chain as a slip stitch. And we don't have to cut the yarn because we have to continue to work to the next pattern. We have to chain 4 and skip to the first chain and go to the next second chain as doing the slip stitch, and then continue chaining 4 skip the first chain. Into the second chain, you have to do this slip stitch again. Over and over, you have to do the same pattern until you reach to the end. We are here at the last part, doing the 4 chain and the slip stitch to the last part, and we have to clean this work, the existing yarn. We have to hide it and cut the yarn and then finish. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe.